but we picked a location between a public project and a private project where development is underway to illustrate the point that we believe community benefit agreements can provide more equitable development opportunities and inclusion for all people.
Tell me about these CBAs. You guys addressed City Council about this, correct? And you had the press conference, I think, 2 weeks ago about this. How will they benefit the community once they're enacted?
We have been working on a community benefit agreement approach in Erie for about 4 years. It's not new to America. Community benefit agreements have been articulated and developed across the country to provide hope and opportunity for people who have been left out. In Erie, we hope community benefit agreements will provide scholarship opportunities, employment opportunities for local people, opportunities for women and minority businesses, opportunities to create pools of money to pay for homes who have to have code enforcement things that have to be addressed, opportunities to excuse debt around some of the hospitals, opportunities to just lift all boats.